In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. Adaptive brightness, when enabled, is using front camera to adjust brightness of your screen automatically. Some people really like it and some find it annoying, so whatever you wanna do, I will show you how to manage it. First, go into settings. Then tap on display and brightness. And last but definitely not least is the switcher next to auto brightness. When it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!